Episode 30, and Aaron and Daddy are off to explore the Portsmouth Hovercraft to the Isle of Wight. We've begun using AI to help us produce better artwork. We start our journey at Worplesdon Station.
That's what we used to say on the South Western Railway Network.
And what's it called?
Bewley Road.
Bewley Road.
Sorry about the dog in the background though.
Yes. Alright, let's get on. So it's a trip along the West Coastway line from Worplesdon to Portsmouth Harbour. It is orange slime this time. You've done green and you've done Snorlax blue. Yeah. Thank you for coming in orange slime. We find this app online to make your own train company logo and slogan.
We are so much.
In it comes. We then use Copilot to make posters for our future summer episodes. We were too busy on the train to notice that the weather was deteriorating. The weather deteriorated further on our walk from Portsmouth Harbour Station to the Hovercraft Terminal. This meant that we just missed our hovercraft, but had over half an hour instead to get ourselves nice and dry under the hot air blowers.
Portsmouth is full by background. That's coming in. Just like
The weather was still deteriorating, but no problem for the Big Brittany ferry coming into Portsmouth. And we're happy just drying off and getting a hot chocolate. We watched the hovercraft we should have been on. It might be getting too rough for it. Well, that means we can't go to the right, but we'll just have some fun here for the day.
I'm going.
We noticed another warning sign. All the locals had left the hovercraft terminal. But we are officially cancelled. Oh, you're cancelled. Okay. Okay. There we go. It was fairly obvious we weren't going to get on the hovercraft that day. So it's blowing in straight out. The orange thing? You see the orange thing?
Can't see it. Oh yeah.
That's called a windsock.
I think everyone is suicide.
The scenes juxtaposed heavily with the last time we were here, where the weather was beautiful, but the tickets were unavailable. We think our hero Jeff Marshall might have had a similar problem in the past.
Because I don't want to go on a boat.
No, you don't want to go on a boat. As today's theme was hovercraft and trains, we decide to wait and see if the weather improves. So we head to the nearby Treasure Island for a bit of seaside fun. And good traditional fish and chips by the sea. No, you're not filling the water pistol with that.
Then how it's sold?
No, you're doing that either.
Come on.
You're lasering the lollipop. We take advice from one of Aaron's first toys, the captain.
I'll just see.
That's right, Captain.
You got booked camp.
The captain and his friend, Mr. Wait For Me, have been on many train journeys with us from a very young age, once even getting lost and having to be collected at Waterloo Lost Property.
We are
Yes, go. Wow. There's the man at the front. There's the pilot. Well, riding the hovercraft wasn't possible, so we made do with playing with our Lego version. So we saved our tickets for later on in the summer when the weather's better, and spent some time learning more about the hovercraft and how it operates. Confirmed that Daddy would fit into the hovercraft next time. Look at the width of the door. Look at Daddy better lose some weight, otherwise I won't get through. Look at the width of the doors, they're not that wide on a hovercraft. So we head instead to Gunwharf Quays in Portsmouth. Wow, look at that! Daddy was very keen to see the 80-year anniversary of D-Day exhibits on display, while Aaron preferred the delights of Portsmouth's Haribo shop. Well done. We plan to reuse those tickets later in the summer in good weather and also visit the steam railway attractions on the Isle of Wight.